색깔. So you can either say 색 or 색깔 for colors, okay? Alright, so there are a couple colors that we're gonna go over together. So first color, yellow. 노란색, white. 하얀색. Notice 색 is all after this color, okay? Black. 까만색. Red. 빨간색. Blue. 파란색. Green. 초록색. Now, purple. 보라색. Orange. 주황색. 주황색. Or we also say 오렌지색, by the way. Pink. 분홍색. Again, this one we also say 핑크색. Brown. 갈색. If you recall chestnut, it's palm, right? So we sometimes say 밤색, like chestnut color. 갈색 or 밤색. Gray. 회색. Light blue or sky blue. So if you know sky, 하늘, right? Sky. And then just add 색 after. 하늘색. Let's do suffix 지 말다. 지 말다 means to stop or cease. And it means please don't do such. So if you want to say, please don't buy it. To buy is 하다, right? And all you need is a stem of the verb. So you say 사 and then add 지 말다. 지 마세요. Please don't buy it. So let's say if you want to say please don't buy cookie. Then you can say 쿠키를 사지 마세요. Please don't eat it. Eat, 먹다, stem, 먹, and then just add 지 마세요. 먹지 마세요. How would you say please don't drink it?
마시지 마세요.
Right. The stem will be 마시. So 마시지 마세요. Please don't drink it. What if you want to say this to your friend? It's just very easy. Just drop the 세요. Then you say
마사지 마.
right. 마시지 마. Right? Don't drink it. Or don't buy it. 사지 마. 먹지 마. You're just dropping the 세요. So that would be just to your friend, casual form, okay? But you don't want to say this to like little children, right? Then you scare them off, like, oh my god. Because it sounds too strong, like, 사지 마. 먹지 마. 마시지 마. Right? It's strong. So a lot of times to children, we like to use polite form or honorific. It's a little more softer. Obviously, 요 sounds softer, right? Like 사지 마세요, 먹지 마세요. Like, you know, when you go to kindergarten in Korea, all those teachers would use honorific or polite form to children. Like, oh, 먹지 마세요, or, you know, oh, 마시지 마세요, like that. They would never say like, 먹지 마! It sounds so strong, scary. They'll cry. So this sentence, don't take a taxi, take the subway instead. So for this sentence, you can do, obviously to ride taxi, we learned this verb, 타다, right? So, 택시를, and then 타지 And then 말고. So go, it means and, right? 지 말고 take the subway. 지하철을 subway, we also ride the subway, okay? So 지하철을 타, and then we're gonna say please ride. So 세요 ending. 타세요. Please don't take the taxi. And then go is like and ride the subway. Okay?